What if you could earn money while you sleep? That's not a dream, it's the power of passive income. Passive income means building systems or assets that generate cash flow with little ongoing effort. It's not get rich quick, it's get free slowly, on purpose. Let's break down 3 of the most reliable passive income streams in 2025 and how you can get started, even with zero experience. 1. Dividend stocks. Get paid to invest. When you buy shares of companies that pay dividends, you're essentially getting paid to hold their stock. These companies share a portion of their profits with investors, typically on a quarterly basis. Examples of reliable dividend stocks: Coca-Cola, KO, a dividend king, known for steady payouts for decades; Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a healthcare giant with consistent growth; Realty Income O, nicknamed the monthly dividend company for a reason. It pays investors every single month. Why it works? You don't need to sell the stock to make money. Reinvesting dividends compounds your returns. Over time, your payout grows even if you stop investing. Tip: start with a low-fee brokerage like Fidelity or Vanguard. Look into dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD or VYM if you want diversification without picking individual stocks. 2. Rental real estate monthly cash flow plus appreciation. Real estate is a classic passive income strategy, and for good reason. When done right, it provides steady monthly rent, long-term equity growth, and tax advantages. You can buy and rent out a single-family home, apartment, or condo. Use a property management company to make it hands-off. Leverage turnkey properties, pre-renovated, and already tenanted. Why it works? Tenants pay your mortgage. Properties often appreciate in value. You can write off maintenance, insurance, and even depreciation. But beware, real estate requires more upfront capital and due diligence. Always run your numbers. Cash flow is key. And remember, a vacant property isn't passive, it's expensive. Pro tip: look into REITs, real estate investment trusts, if you want real estate exposure without owning physical property. REITs pay dividends and are available through most brokerages. 3. Digital products. Work once, earn forever. This is one of the most accessible passive income streams in the digital era, especially if you're creative or good at solving problems. Create something once, then sell it over and over again online. Popular digital product ideas: ebooks, guides, how-to, self-help, niche topics, online courses, Udemy, Gumroad, Teachable, Canva or Notion templates, digital planners or printables. Etsy is huge for this. AI-generated art, journals, or coloring books via print on demand. Why it works: zero inventory, global reach, 24/7 storefront, scales without trading time for money. Platforms to use: Gumroad, easy to set up digital storefronts; Etsy, perfect for printables or design products; Payhip, clean and customizable; Teachable, great for building and selling courses. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT for outlines or Midjourney for design inspiration. Just make sure to add your personal touch and originality. Bonus: combine streams. Many successful passive income earners combine multiple streams to build a solid foundation. Example: invest monthly in dividend stocks. Use some returns to fund a rental property. Create digital products based on your expertise. That's 3 layers of income growing in the background while you focus on your life, family, or next big idea. Final thoughts: the passive income mindset. Passive income doesn't mean no effort. It means front-loading the work so that your money, or content, or assets works for you long after the job is done. Start with one income stream. Don't aim for perfection, aim for momentum. You don't need to be rich to start building passive income. But building passive income is how you become financially free. Start now, stay consistent, let time, effort, and smart systems build your freedom.